Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next series of videos that is Rest Assured. Okay, so Rest Assured, Rest Assured is one of a library where we can automate all the APIs with the get, post, put, patch and delete methods. Normally, we used to test the endpoints with the help of Postman. So, same way we can also automate all these four HTTP methods with the help of library called Rest Assured. There are other plugins also. There Rest is used for Python. Rest Sharp is used in C Sharp language, and in Java we use Rest Assured. Okay, we can all test all the four methods: get for retry, force for create resource, and put is for update the resource, and delete is for deleting the endpoint. So all these four HTTP methods can be automated with the help of the REST assured library. Normally in real time, they'll maintain a regression pack and will run before the every release. Okay, so all the IAPs will be automated with the help of the REST assured library. Okay, so what is the difference between Postman and REST assured? Is Postman we can do manual testing the API. Okay, we can create collection, we can add environment. Okay, we can integrate with Jenkins, and we can test all the four methods manually with the help of the Postman. But same thing we can automate all the four HTTP methods, and we can add test ng we can add Cucumber, we can integrate with other third party tools, we can connect with Excel. All these things we can do with the help of the REST assured, and we can maintain regression shoots, so everything can be done with the help of the regression shoot. So okay, so manual we go for Postman, and automation will go for an REST assured. Okay, nowadays there's a lot of demand in REST assured, so all the real current applications resides on the API. Okay, so API testing plays a very very important role in the current market. Okay, so now how we test the API is we send a request through either JSON, XML, or using a query. We send the request with the use of any one HTTP methods, get, push, put, post, delete, and we test the application under test. Okay, and we extract the response with this HTTP method with this request. Okay, the response also will be in the JSON and XML format, and we use to different validations: status code, response, header validations. We do different validation, and we get the verification to JSON path or XML path. Okay, so this is what the normal flow, which we do in the API testing. We send a request through HTTP methods, and we test the application, and we try to get this get, create, post, delete, and we get the response. Okay, and we different validations with the help of that. Okay, the next one is request specifications. Okay, so we send create the reusable code with the help of the request specification. Request specification means all the requests will be set in the reusable code, like given, when, then, all the get request, put request, post, everything will be created as sent, created and reusable code and sent as a request specification. And and we get try to do the extract the response from the with the help of the server. Okay, and we do different validations like status code validation, status line validation, content type validation, body, cookies, headers. We'll do different validation, and we do verification, verify the JSON path and the XML path. Okay, so normally we send a request, and we extract the response and do different validations, like status code, status line, content type, body, cookies, and the header. Okay, so this is what we do in the rest assured. Okay, next one is we can add test ng, we can add Cucumber. The REST API we set preconditions, the given, given we resides with the help of the BDD framework, and we set the preconditions, the endpoints, right? The base URI will be set with the help of the given, and the rest with the help of rest assured library we set the when and then also. When is nothing but the actions, right? All the four methods, get, post, put, delete, all these methods, right, will be set, the resource will be set with the help of the when. And then is used for doing the different validation we saw in the before slide, right? Status code, status slide, content type, header. We do different validations, we use asserts, we do ham crust, right, to do different perform different validations. And we extract extend reports or value reports based on the scenario, and we integrate with Jenkins, and we trigger a mail after the Jenkins execution. So this is a general flow which we do in our REST assured. Okay, got it, right? Hope you understood at this point. Now, right. So the one framework we are going to set in the slowly in the next part of video. First, we are going to create an endpoints, the base URIs, and right, we are going to create payloads. Payloads is nothing but a JSON, right? We request which are going to send, right? The body JSON body we are going to send. And utilities, there are a lot of utilities we are going to set, like response, right, logging, right, parameterization, data, test ng providers will set. All these things will be kept in utilities, and test data, Excel sheet will have test data, and we create test cases with the help of testng.xml file. We'll add Cucumber also, and we'll run to create testng.xml file, and we'll add pom.dependencies, and we generate extend reports or value reports, and we integrate with Git, and we are going to run through Jenkins. So slowly, you are going to set a framework in the next video, so you can watch this series of videos and we get used to it. Okay, so hope this introduction video of rest assured is useful to you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Meet you soon in the next part of video. Bye.